Now, if you understand science, you know, so you have to have evidence. So the man who say my science man, he no deal with no study and nothing. Him just want to know say him have evidence. So me know one little man in one little district say him a science man. That way him clean. Me never go call him name nor the district because you have to protect the integrity of him children. Grown people know respectable people and you can't tarnish them in any step of the way. But the man did have a way to make money, you know. And the money them will make an counterfeit money. He make you carry it come. The man have him brother and him brother work as a confederate. And what you think him brother do? Him brother will go like in your yard, go bury something. And then him go around and come around till him get to you and talk with you and start to convince you say something no good, something no right. And then him just know where him forgot dig up where and carry it come show you and convince you and collect your money. So him always a live off of you. And your picnic them can't go to school. Film them gone. But here what bigger than this now. One elderly woman thing, you know, her husband died. But him somehow want to get to the woman. So him find him way in. And him look at the woman and tell the woman, say, look here. Your husband do really love you. And you have to get him off of you, you know, because if you don't get him off of you, him just a go ride you, you know. The woman believe, man. The man look at the woman, go down and tell her, so, look here now. Him a go come back, come knock at your house. One at a time, you know. And him a go knock 3 times. And anytime you hear them knocking there, you know sign. Just make sure say everywhere seal up. And then get her 2 little light green and red and blue candle and insert her say. Like the first night you hear them knock, you like this one. The next time you like the other one. And the third night you like that one. And then like. That time of the man really go there go knock, you know. And him convince the woman say, I really the dead husband. You see after that? The man in a one strong relationship with the woman, you know. And he live with her for years, you know. And when the woman dead, you know, she don't have no picnic. So you know, say the whole of the woman little house and little piece of land down there, and if even 2 pigs around her back, and him get them. So people have to be aware and know say science is based on evidence. But research have to go down first. So no man just come to you and tell you say I'm a science man. You hear? That's how it go.